Hello and welcome back to the channel, Shiksha Samvad. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking initiative that is set to redefine the landscape of higher education in India, the National Higher Education Qualifications Framework, or NHEQF. Imagine a system where your degree isn't just a certificate, but a reflection of your skills, knowledge, and values, one that's recognized globally. That's the promise of NHEQF, and today we'll explore how it's bringing flexibility, inclusivity, and international standards to Indian education. Stay with us as we break down everything you need to know. Let's start with a key feature of the NHEQF, its recognition of the diverse landscape of higher education institutions, HEIs, in India. Institutions are categorized into three types. 1. Research-intensive universities, 2. Teaching-intensive universities, and 3. Autonomous degree-granting colleges. But here's the interesting part. These categories aren't rigid. Institutions can move between them based on their goals, performance, and actions. This flexibility promotes organic growth and specialization within the higher education sector, ensuring every institution can pursue its unique vision. Flexibility is at the heart of the NHEQF. Undergraduate programs now offer multiple entry and exit options to suit students' diverse needs. 1 year, certificate; 2 years, diploma; 3 years, bachelor's degree; 4 years, bachelor's degree with honors. This means you can tailor your education to your goals and re-enter the system anytime to complete your qualifications. The NHEQF also supports an integrated 5-year bachelor's and master's program. It's all about empowering students to create their own learning journeys. The NHEQF isn't just a national initiative, it aligns with global standards, such as the Dublin Descriptors and the Washington Accord for engineering programs. What does this mean for you? Your qualifications will be globally recognized, enhancing your opportunities for further education and employment abroad. The NHEQF ensures that bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees meet the highest international benchmarks in knowledge, skills, and application. Now let's talk about what you'll gain as a graduate. The NHEQF defines a graduate profile that includes knowledge and skills in your field, communication skills, digital literacy, environmental awareness, and empathy and community engagement. These attributes aim to create well-rounded individuals who are not just career-ready, but also socially and environmentally responsible. Here's where things get really innovative. The NHEQF introduces a robust academic credit framework. Credits represent the time and effort you put into learning. They can be accumulated, transferred, and even stored using the Academic Bank of Credits, ABC. This system ensures seamless progression, whether you're switching institutions or returning to education after a break. Quality is a top priority. Under the NHEQF, every higher education institution will need to be accredited by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NAAC. Establish an internal quality assurance cell, IQAC, to continuously improve standards. This ensures every student receives a world-class education, no matter where they study. The National Higher Education Qualifications Framework is more than just a policy. It's a vision for a brighter, more flexible, and globally competitive Indian education system. By focusing on learning outcomes, graduate attributes, and international alignment, the NHEQF is paving the way for a future where Indian students can thrive anywhere in the world. So, what do you think about the NHEQF? Could it be the game changer we've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into education